In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Huntington Bank online account, a straightforward process that can be done from your home or on the go. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you have your credentials handy, specifically your username and password. This will ensure a smooth and seamless login experience. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to Huntington's official website by typing in huntington.com in the address bar. Once you've arrived at the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you will find the login button. Clicking on this button will initiate the login process. When prompted, you will need to choose the type of account you wish to access. Huntington Bank offers options for personal and business accounts, commercial accounts, and other specialized accounts. Select the option that corresponds to your specific type of account, allowing the website to direct you to the appropriate login page. Now that you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your unique username into the designated field. Following this, enter your password with care, ensuring that all characters are entered accurately to avoid any login issues. It's always a good idea to double check both your username and password for any typos or mistakes. Once you have entered both your username and password, proceed by clicking on the login button. This step will submit your credentials for verification, allowing you to gain access to your account provided everything matches the information on record. At this point, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, an additional step will be required. This is a security measure designed to protect your account by requiring a secondary form of identification. You will receive a unique authentication code either via a text message or an email, depending on your chosen method. When prompted, enter this code into the provided field to complete the authentication process. And that's it. You should now be successfully logged in to your Huntington Bank online account, granting you full access to manage your banking needs. If you run into any issues during the login process, ensure that your username and password are correct and that you're entering the two-factor authentication code promptly. For repeated problems, contacting Huntington's customer service for support is recommended. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to log out after finishing your online banking session to keep your account information secure. Have a great day, and happy banking!